Hello, this is Mrs. Dolnychuk again, and I'm here to help you get your last name and your page number in the upper right-hand corner of each page of your report, except for the first page. Please note Mr. Alt does not want this on his research paper, so once you finish with my class, we'll go in and we'll eliminate your header, and that way you won't get any points taken off in his class when you turn it in for him. So the first thing you're going to do to get a header is to insert headers and footers, and header. Note that this box is unchecked. If it isn't, it should be before you start here. Okay. Normally, it'll start off as your cursor flashing over here to start typing, but we want it on the right corner, so we're going to put it here. Okay. Make sure that your font says Times New Roman and it is size 12 before you begin typing, because it will change back to the default of your document. Then type your last name, followed by 1 space. Under Options, go to the page numbers, and we do not want it to show on the first page, so we unclick this box right here, and we hit Apply. Notice when I click somewhere else in my document, my name does not appear in the corner of this page. But when I scroll to the second page, here's my name. If my document had another page for its references, it would say Dolnychuk page 3. So that is how you put a header and page number into your Google Doc.